Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a free and professional job application tracker using Notion. If you're tired of managing scattered spreadsheets, forgetting deadlines, or losing track of where you applied, this simple system will help you stay organized throughout your job search. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clean and customizable tracker where you can manage applications, interview schedules, follow-ups, and important documents all in one place. Let's get started. To make things easier, we'll use one of Notion's free job application tracker templates. This saves time because you won't need to build an entire database from scratch. The template already comes with a professional structure that you can later customize based on your own workflow and preferences. Think of it as starting with a fully furnished workspace that you can personalize whenever you want. Once you open Notion, go to the top left corner of your workspace and click the drop-down menu. From there, select the Browse Templates option. This will take you to Notion's template library, where you can explore ready-made templates for productivity, planning, and organization. Next, use the search bar and type Job Application Tracker. Notion will display several template options. Take a moment to review them and choose the one that best fits your style. Some templates are minimal and clean, while others include advanced sections like interview stages, follow-up reminders, and status tracking. Don't worry too much about picking the perfect one because every template can be edited later. After selecting a template, click Add to copy it into your workspace. Notion will automatically create your own editable version. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a second to load. Now it's time to customize your tracker. Start by adding the key details you want to monitor for each application. Common fields include company name, job title, application date, application status, interview schedule, deadlines, and follow-up notes. Most templates make editing simple. Just click into a row and begin typing. You can also upload useful files directly into the tracker, such as your resume, cover letter, portfolio links, or certifications. Keeping everything in one location makes the application process more efficient and reduces the chance of losing important documents. Another great feature of Notion is flexibility. You can change colors, add new columns, rearrange sections, or switch between different layouts. For example, you might prefer a card-style board to visually track your progress, or you may want a spreadsheet layout for a cleaner overview. Spend a few minutes adjusting the design until it fits your workflow and feels comfortable to use. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional job application tracker in Notion. From now on, you'll be able to organize your applications, monitor deadlines, and keep your entire job search process in one convenient place. As your needs change, you can continue improving and customizing the tracker to fit your goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with others who are currently job hunting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.